What's up, guys? I'm going to show y'all a quick and easy way to determine whether to buy against the market or buy long for the market. So the only two things that I have up, the only indicators, I'm going to show y'all right here, elements. I've got the Bollinger Bands, I've got the 50 EMA, I've got the 200 EMA, and then I've got the MACD. So I lied, so I got 4 indicators. So the Bollinger Bands is the green and then the red. Buy, sell. Okay? See, when it bounces off the green, sometimes we know it's going to fall down. Hit the red, come up. Hit the red, hit the green, come down. So that's one little indicator I use. That would be the Bollinger Bands. Then I have the blue line, which is right here. The blue line for me is going to be my 200 EMA, and the red line, the red solid line, is going to be the 50 EMA. And then down here is my MACD. Alright, so what I do is, and this isn't foolproof. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. It's like an 85% win, 15% lose, which is pretty good ratio in my eyes. So what I do is, this is the start of the day, right? So you could start, I could start trading at 5:30 p.m. So when I start to see the 200 EMA go over the 50, right? See how the 200 is over the 50? That's when I know to sell. Now, if you look now, I could have got in right here because it was just straight down, but I want that confirmation where my blue line crosses over my red line, meaning my blue line is the 200 and the red is the 50. So once I see that confirmation that the blue clearly crosses over the red, 200's got to be above the 50. This is when I'm going to place a short, whether it be 1 contract, 5 contracts, 10 contracts, whatever the case may be. I know, along with my MACD, so if we bring it up, we look here and here, we're clearly below this level right here. All right, and this is going to go up and down regardless of an uptrend or downtrend. That's just how these fluctuations happen. So, but my main thing is going to be this 200 over the 50. And look, I'm gonna zoom. I'm gonna get out. Look at it. Shorten, 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 shorten. 200 still over the 50. Shorten, shorten. All that's profit. From here all the way to there is profit. That's from 12,150, right? Boom. All the way down here to 11,950. That is an outrageous amount of profit. And likewise, the same with the other cross, right? So here, let's go here. 200 falls below the 50. The 50 starts to rise. Now we know we're going in an uptrend. You buy here at this cross, which would put you here. And look, boom. If you're putting 10 contracts, and this is the Nasdaq, by the way. This is the NQH3. This was Friday. It's today's Saturday. You buy in here, or even if you got lucky and bought in here when it hit this red Bollinger Band, right? Boom, hit the red Bollinger Band. This is on its uptrend, which is the, I think the red, let me look, hold on. Yeah, the red's the 50. As soon as you see that 50 EMA cross over that 200 EMA, boom, you bought in right here. Boom. That's easily $1,000 profit. Easily. Now you see the red start the curve down. I would start to sell because it got close to the green. It didn't touch it, but it got close. Plus, this is in a downtrend. Look at all that. Look at all that profit. Bounced off the red Bollinger Band. We had one cross, another cross, so we're going up an uptrend. Even if you got in right here, when it did cross, you still took that profit. So that's my the way I read the charts. I use the Bollinger Bands, I use the 50 and the 200 EMA, and I also use the MACD for, like, if I'm just trading little things, you know, little ups and downs. But for a total day or a big slump, I'm trading off of the 50 and 200 EMA. You don't need a million indicators up there. I don't even use the RSI, honestly. Sometimes I look at it, but most of the time I don't. So Monday, when Monday comes, actually Sunday night, because I can start trading Sunday at 5:30 in the futures market off of the Nasdaq. I'm gonna hop in. It's going up. It's above, the MACD's above the center line. So the center line's going to be even 0. So anything positive, it's going up. And once you see the red cross down below the yellow, that's when you know it's going to sell. So it's probably going to sell a little bit here. It's going to bounce off the red. This is just my prediction. And then it's going to just skyrocket. So if we zoom out, look how much we lost. So my prediction on Monday is that the Nasdaq's going to fall a little bit, because every time the market opens, it does fall. You can see it's down, it's up. So most likely we're going to come down to about this level, which is the 11,970, and then it's just going to rise. That's just my prediction, not financial advice, but so I'm going to go long Monday on the Nasdaq in QH3, and I'll trade the minis. I don't trade micros. Alright guys, let me know what y'all think. Not financial advice, but I am going long on Sunday night for the Nasdaq into Monday morning. Alright y'all, peace.